Hi everyone, I've got a fun summary project to do today. I've got a pair of sandals and as you can see, they're kind of 3D looking and they're fun and colorful and super easy to make. So stick with me and I will show you how you can make your very own pair. For this project, I am using a template and I will include the link for you so that you can print it off for yourself for free. And starting with this template, I am going to just color in with some markers the two long strips on the left hand side. These are going to be the straps for our flip-flops. So this is the part where your loved one can have fun decorating and designing their own pair of flip-flops. I am making like a Hawaiian kind of theme, so I'm making it floral pattern with some hibiscus flowers. I'm going to use some bright colors and outline my flowers and just make it look fun. Then after decorating the soles of my flip-flops, I am going to color in the background for my flip-flops. So I'm going to choose to be walking on a nice lush green lawn, so I'm going to color in green and draw in some green blades of grass, but maybe your loved one wants to be walking on a beach, or maybe you want to be walking down a gravel path. You can choose whatever background you would like. And once you've got that all decorated and drawn in, it's time to add the sandal straps. So I'm just going to cut along the lines that are there on the template. And once they're cut out, you can fold those two rectangular strips in half lengthwise. And once you've got a nice crease in those strips, you can glue them. I'm using a glue stick for this. Now to assemble our flip-flop, you're going to take your straps and fold them in half. And then you'll see on the template that there's a little dot on each flip-flop. You're going to put some glue on top of that dot, and then you're going to put the center point of a strap on that dot. And then put some glue at the ends of the straps, and then you can glue them down further along the flip-flop, just to wherever they reach to. If you want them to be really 3D, you can glue them closer to the dot. If you want them to be quite flat and less 3D, you can pull them down further towards the heel of the sandal. And of course, while you're making this, you can have a nice trip in your imagination to some nice destination where you would love to wear these sandals. Maybe you have a past vacation that you remember with your loved one, or maybe there's just some kind of place where you would love to both go that you've never been to, maybe like a wish list place. So there you go, my fun summery flip-flops, all ready for the summer season. I hope you enjoyed that and that you are feeling inspired to make your very own pair of summery sandals with your loved one. And don't forget to also enjoy some of that wonderful summer sunshine that we're having. So until the next one, take care. Bye-bye.